You can easily make your custom stamp using our stamp designer. Simply hover over the word Rubber Stamps and click on Custom Stamp Designer. On the right-hand side, you can type your custom text, choose your font, and choose your point size. Your stamp text will appear on the left. You can make it bold, italic, and underlined. You can then add additional lines of text and change the font. In addition, you can add an image to your stamp by clicking the Image tab. Under the Image tab, there are 3 choices. You may upload your own artwork from your computer, browse our artwork clip art gallery, or browse your own images that you have used and uploaded in the past. For the clip art, choose from one of our categories. Choose the clip art, click Next, Position and Scale. At this point, you can scale your image, either up or down, and then choose your image position relative to your text. This image position, for example, shows that the image will appear above the text. You can then apply your changes and see your changes above. At the bottom of the Stamp Designer, you will see your stamp choices based on your text and images that you have added. If you are choosing a self-inking stamp, you will first need to select an ink color before you click the Select button. Once the stamp is selected, simply enter your quantity and click Add to Cart. It's as simple as that.